Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. Ali Shammal here. Today in this video I'm going to introduce the Saker 10-inch contour gauge. As I'm building my DIY, probably the biggest RC boat, and now it's time for me to lay down the floor. However, there are many places where I have to cut things with exact dimensions, exact contours, and you know, just by judging and using hands or marking, it's not gonna do it. You will need something like this to cut exact contours. Now, if you're installing floor tiles, you're doing flooring with wooden pieces or with foam pieces, just like I'm gonna do with the foam pieces for my boat, you're gonna need the contour gauge. This is the Saker contour gauge from www.smartsaker.com, available in 10-inch and probably 8-inch versions as well. And this is going to make your life very, very easy when you want to trace the contours and cut exactly the same dimensions for the contours to fit your wooden pieces, tiles, or anything else that you're going to do with the contours. So inside the box I have got a Saker contour gauge and two pieces of these user manuals. Very, very easy to use. Now let me show you how things work. When you receive the tool, it might be loose, okay? So there's a hex driver. Using the hex driver, you can tighten it and start using it right away. Now this is really very, very nice tool to trace the contours of whatever you are going to cut. As you can see, I'm tracing the contours of my hand right here, okay? And once you have traced the contours, you can simply lock it, and now you're ready to draw and cut. So let's do it. One little cut for my boat flooring, just for the example, just to take it as an example. So come with me. So I'm just practicing with this Smartsaker tool, the contour gauge, and it's amazing. This tool is amazing. So look at that. It's very easy to trace the contours in the floor of my boat, and then I just go ahead, make a line, accordingly cut. Just look at the fine fit right here. Everything, if you bring it closer, you can see everything is a very, very nice fit. I'm just gonna trace this area first, okay? Just like this. Give me a moment. So there. Awesome. Okay. Once I have traced it, I'm gonna lock it, okay? And this piece will come from here, so I'm just gonna keep it right here. Okay, after tracing, it's just a piece of cake to cut. Now once again, we are just taking this foam as an example. This is not the real foam, I mean the exact one that I'm going to install. And now, let's check it out. Exacto monio, perfect fit right there. Of course, this side, the angles are not right, and we have to take care of that. But we are talking about this contour and this contour. As you can see, if I hold it like this, it fits perfect. So this Saker contour gauge tool is going to prove very useful. It's going to be very helpful for me to install the foamy floor in my boat with exact contours cut. Thank you very much, Saker, for making this amazing tool. Also, do notice that the tool has a ruler already, 24 cm and 10 inches. There's a ruler here for you to measure right away at both sides. The tool build quality is very well done. I am very, very satisfied with it. It works very well. So let's start working. Let me bring out the foam pieces and start cutting the contours and installing the foam floor right there in my boat.